Welcome to the Northwoods RV Life. And we finally got a beautiful day in Michigan. We've been dealing with about a week's worth of rain, and we've been held up working on the RV. So finally, hopefully today we can go ahead and we can start working on some stuff. Things are starting to dry out today. But to get our day started, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook up some biscuits and gravy on the Blackstone Range Top Combo. So as always, like the videos, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We have some Bob Evans sausage here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get this going here in our skillet. Chopped up here a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get this gravy started first because it'll stay here warm for quite a while we try baking these biscuits. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to shut our top here and let that start warming up. We're going to bake those biscuits in there like it's an oven. Alright, we got our sausage is browned up, so we got him turned off, just sitting over here for right now, just staying warm for a second. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on our cheater biscuits over here. And we're going to go ahead and start baking some biscuits in here. Like I said, we've never done this before. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to try this without burning them. Fit them all on here. It's definitely warm. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we'll get this shut up and we'll go ahead and we'll let these bake for a little bit. Okay, we got some flour here. We're going to take a little bit here. We're going to sprinkle that into our sausage gravy here. Okay. me just move that around. You want that flour to kind of brown just a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some milk. You can use heavy cream if that's what you like to use. Pour a little bit in there at a time. Just kind of let that simmer a little bit like that. Add a little more milk in there. Get it all stirred in there. These biscuits, we're going to go ahead. These biscuits, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give them a little flip on here. They're looking pretty good. Okay, give our biscuits a flip here. They're looking pretty good. I think we'll go ahead and we'll close it up and let them cook just a little bit longer on the other side, and those will be ready to come off. Add a little salt and pepper to our sausage gravy. Remember, this isn't pepper gravy. A lot of people, you know, think that country gravy is supposed to be covered with pepper, and country gravy is, but this is sausage gravy. So a little pepper to taste. You don't want the pepper to be overpowering. You just want to give it a little flavor. Alright, our biscuits look really good. So let's go ahead, we'll pull our biscuits off. You can see they cooked up pretty good on there. In case you're wondering, that rack is a Weston jerky rack. And I'll go ahead and I'll include a link down below in case you're interested in it. It works great in the Blackstone for bacon. It's nice and big, a little bit bigger than your normal cooling rack that you'd have for pies or for cookies and stuff. Gravy looks really good. We've got our burner turned off. Don't that look good? Alright, I think we're just about ready to eat. Well, we finished that just in time. Everyone's getting outside around us, firing up the lawnmowers, and starting to enjoy this beautiful day. So I hope you do the same. Have a good weekend, and don't forget to subscribe below. See you out there.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, subscribe here.